Okay, question number 4. Ants help the home in different ways. How do these ants help? So different ants have different work at their home. First one, nurse ant do take care of grabs, so write on with it. Then soldiers ants defend their homes. Cleaner ants clean home. Food hunters, they search for food and bring food. Builders build streets and towns. Pet keepers take care of ants eggs. 6. You leave this question number 5 and come on page number 30. Exercise 6. So exercise 6, an ant has 6 legs. How many legs has a hen? Hen has how many legs? 2. Elephant 4. Bee 6. Rabbit has 4 legs. Goose 2. Spider 8. Beetle 6. Camel has 4 legs. Fly 6. Monkey 2 legs. Tiger has 4 legs. Gorilla has 2 legs, and wasp has 6 legs. Okay, now question number 7. Name 3 insects which can fly. Grasshopper can fly, butterfly and wasp bee can fly. So 3 names of these insects, and name of 3 insects which crawl but cannot fly. These are ants which are insects but they cannot fly, they crawl. Bedbugs and cockroaches. Okay, next question number 8. We say a slice of bread, complete the following. Here you have to complete this exercise by putting suitable words. A piece of a paper, a spoonful of sugar, a drop of water, a scrap of metal, a speck of soot, a puff of smoke, a pinch of salt, a blade of sword, a splinter of wood, and a ray of light. So hurry up students, now start doing this work with very good handwriting. If you feel any difficulty writing or some spelling or whatever, you may ask.